If you live in Florida and are ready to add elegant and reliable Lanai Lighting, Sunset Lighting Design, the creator of the renowned Sunset Sconce, has the perfect solution for your screen enclosure. Over the last several years, we've built a solid reputation with our original Sunset Sconce, the first color-changing pool cage light designed perfectly for vertical lanai posts. Now we've set the bar once again with exciting new stylish options to choose from, such as the linear with its stately lines, the helix, and the hourglass. Our powerful LEDs provide plenty of lighting to satisfy the longest spans on clear view, panoramic, or expanded view screen openings. Our exclusive Florida-manufactured pool cage lights are unbelievably durable and elegant, with vibrant color-changing LEDs and tunable white lighting. Our Lanai lighting is available in elegant, high-quality finishes to blend perfectly into your new or existing bronze or white screen enclosure with no visible wires. The dimming function easily adjusts from functional lighting down to a soft candlelight ambiance. Our Sunset Sconce pool cage lighting will complement your lanai for many years, without rust or unsightly discolorations over time. If you appreciate a refined appearance that doesn't detract from your outdoor living space, then the Sunset Sconce is the perfect solution for your Florida screen enclosure. Call and talk with one of our experts or to receive a free no-pressure estimate. For additional information, visit sunsetlightingdesign.com. Call us today at 833-333-0616 if you're ready to see your pool cage in a whole new light.